In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create action items to a page in Confluence. We'll walk through this step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a regular Confluence page into something more dynamic and task-oriented using built-in action items. First, open Confluence and either select an existing page or create a new one where you want to add your action items. If you're creating a new page, give it a clear, descriptive title so that you and your team can easily recognize what the page is about later. Once the page is open in edit mode, make sure your cursor is placed where you want the action items to appear. This could be under a specific heading like To-Dos, Next Steps, or within a meeting notes section. Positioning them clearly will help keep your content organized and easy to scan. Next, on your keyboard, type a / followed by the word action. So that's /action, all as one command. In Confluence, the / opens a list of shortcuts and macros that you can insert into your page. As you start typing action, Confluence will filter that list to show options related to actions and tasks. From the options that appear, look for action items and click on it. This will insert the action items element directly into your page at the cursor position. If you prefer to avoid the mouse, you can usually navigate through the list with your keyboard's arrow keys and press Enter to select it. Once the action items block is added, you'll see a structured way to capture tasks, typically with fields like the task description and, depending on your setup, the ability to assign owners or set due dates. Now, follow the on-screen prompts that Confluence provides to complete your action items. You'll usually be guided to type in a clear description of what needs to be done. Use specific, actionable language, like prepare slide deck for sprint review, instead of something vague like slides. If the prompts allow you to assign the task, choose the person responsible, and if there's an option for due dates, set a realistic deadline so that expectations are clear. You can repeat this process to add as many action items as you need on the same page. Take a moment to review them, making sure everything is clearly written and placed in the right section of your page. When you're done, don't forget to publish or update the page so that your changes are saved and visible to your team. And that's how you create action items on a Confluence page, turning your notes into actionable work your team can easily track.